A basic staple in my home is a flowering plant called elderberry. It's a perfect ally when I'm feeling under the weather and in need of a boost. This recipe is one of the simplest cough and cold remedies to make at home, and when combined with other superfood ingredients, well, it may surprise you and get you wondering why you waited so long to bottle this up. It's delicious, nutritious, loved by the whole family, and highly effective to get you back in tip-top shape. And needless to say, it tastes so much better than what you can buy from the store. Want more superfood healthy remedies for the whole family? Follow along for more.